Hey everyone! Welcome back to Virtual Storytime. Now technically, we've passed the first day of fall, but since the weather's been warmer than usual, it does feel a little bit like summer's still lingering on. But I've noticed in the last week, we've had leaves changing color, falling from the trees, and there have been apples and pears and pumpkins at the farmer's market, so I feel pretty confident that we've reached enough markers of autumn that we can have a fall-themed story time and it won't feel strange. So today we'll start out with songs and rhymes from Baby Time. Our book is called What Will Fit by Grace Lynn, and then we'll wrap up with some more active songs from Wonderful Walkers. So to get us started, we're going to try a bounce called 1, 2, 3, Babies on My Knee. I'm going to be demonstrating this one as a lap bounce with Bear. If you want to try this one standing, you can. Instead of doing a lift or a lift of the arms, you can try doing a bounce or a jump. And I'm going to be saying the rhyme with the word baby, but if you'd rather try it with your child's name, it just makes it a little bit more personal when you say it. So we'll start out with a nice gentle bounce in the center, and we'll say 1, 2, 3, baby's on my knee. The rooster crows and up she goes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Baby's on my knee. The rooster crows and up she goes. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that was a great start. Nice job. Our next song is called Where Oh Where Are Baby's Fingers? And we'll sing this to the tune of Muffin Man. So again, I'll be singing the word baby, but you can substitute that for your child's name. And I'll be demonstrating this one as more of a lap song, holding Bear so that I can get to fingers, toes, and belly button. But you can try this one standing or sitting on the floor with your child if you prefer. So we'll wrap up the song with a little bit of a tickle, if your child's into that. And we'll start out singing, Where, oh, where are baby's fingers? Where, oh, where are baby's toes? Where, oh, where is baby's belly button? Round and round it goes. All right, let's try that one more time all together. Here we go. Where, oh, where are baby's fingers? Where, oh, where are baby's toes? Where, oh, where is baby's belly button? Round and round it goes. Oh, that was great. Our next song is the Itsy Bitsy Spider, which is a great way to get our hands and our fingers warmed up before our story today. So I'm going to demonstrate this as a finger play, but if your child isn't able to make the small finger motions like that, you can have them hold their hands, roll them up and down when the spider climbs up and down the water spout. So let's get our hands and our fingers ready, and we'll sing, The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Oh, that was great. Now, Itsy Bitsy Spider and a lot of other traditional songs are ones that we sing all the time and our children hear all the time. The repetition is great for them, but sometimes as an adult, it can be a little frustrating when you think, this is probably the 10,000th time I've sung this song. So one way that you can give your child the repetition they need, but also make it feel a little bit fresh for yourself, is to try singing variations of the song. So instead of just singing the Itsy Bitsy Spider, you could sing it with a really quiet voice or a loud voice. You could do a quick version or a slow version. You could sing about the big hairy spider, the medium-sized spider, whatever variety is fun for you and your child. So let's try the loud version, and then we'll end with the quiet version. Ready? The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Oh, that was fantastic. And hopefully that'll make some of your favorite songs feel a little bit more fresh and fun to sing. All right, my friends, I think we're ready for our story. So I'll invite everyone to grab a seat crisscross applesauce or snuggle up in a lap. And today we are sharing What Will Fit by Grace Lynn. And this is coming to us from Charlesbridge. And this is part of the Storytelling Math series. So if you like this book, there's others in the series, and I would definitely recommend checking them out. All right, so let's take a look at the first page of our story. Where do you think our friend is going today? Yeah, she's going to the farmer's market. She says, I want to fill my basket. What will fill it just right? All right, this is kind of like a treasure hunt. Let's see what we can find. This beet is too small. There's so much space around it that it rolls. All right, so she found one little beet, put it in the basket, but it doesn't fill it. So we'll have to keep searching. This apple is bigger, but it's not big enough. So the apple fits in the basket, but it's still too small to fill it. That's too bad because apples are one of my favorite fruits, huh? All right, see what else we can find. This zucchini is too long. When I turn it, it's too tall. So the green zucchini won't even fit in the basket at all, right? It won't fit on its side, and it sticks up too much when it's on its end. Do you think we should keep looking? All right, let's see what else we can see. This eggplant is not wide enough. It doesn't fit either. Oh, look at that pretty purple color. So the eggplant will fit in the basket, but it doesn't fill it. All right, let's keep looking. What do you think our friend is going to try next? Yeah, I think she's looking at those orange pumpkins. How about a pumpkin? Yay, just the right size. So the pumpkin fits in the basket, fills it up, and just a little bit of the stem is sticking out. So we found something that fills the basket, and it looks like our friend is very happy. Nice job. The end. Our next rhyme is called Two Little Pumpkins. So we'll need one finger from each hand, and we'll say, two little pumpkins sitting on a hill, one named Jack and one named Jill. Roll away, Jack, and roll away, Jill. Come back, Jack, and come back, Jill. That was excellent. Do you think we can try it again? All right, let's get our fingers ready. Here we go. Two little pumpkins sitting on a hill, one named Jack and one named Jill. Roll away, Jack, and roll away, Jill. Come back, Jack, and come back, Jill. Nice job. I have one more pumpkin song for you today. This one is called Have You Ever Seen a Pumpkin? And we'll sing it to the tune of Have You Ever Seen a Lassie? So I'm going to take my hands and hold them together so that they make kind of a circle shape. You can also try this with your hands curled into fists to start out with. These are going to be our pumpkins. We're going to make kind of a wavy hand motion when we sing When It Grows on the Vine. And then we're going to show short ones and tall ones, big ones, and small ones. All right, let's try it. So we'll get our hands ready and we'll sing, have you ever seen a pumpkin, a pumpkin, a pumpkin? Have you ever seen a pumpkin that grows on a vine? Short ones and tall ones and big ones and small ones. Have you ever seen a pumpkin that grows on a vine? Oh, that was really good. Do you think maybe we can try it one more time, just a tiny bit faster? All right, it's going to be a challenge, but I think we can do it. All right, let's get our hands ready and we'll sing, have you ever seen a pumpkin, a pumpkin? A pumpkin, have you ever seen a pumpkin that grows on a vine? Short ones and tall ones and big ones and small ones. Have you ever seen a pumpkin that grows on a vine? Oh, excellent. Today we'll wrap up with a song called Leaves Are Falling. We'll sing it to the tune of Jingle Bells. This came from an artist named Miss Carol, so I'll link to her macaroni soup site in the description below if you want to check out the lyrics or take a look at some of her other seasonal songs. So Bear and I will demonstrate this one as a lap song, but you're more than welcome to try this one standing and make your motions as big as you'd like. So we're going to move our fingers up and down. These will be the leaves falling from the trees, and then we'll see where they land. All right, let's get our hands ready. And we'll sing, leaves are falling, falling, falling on my nose. Leaves are falling, falling, falling on my toes. On my head, on my neck, even my elbows. Leaves are falling when the cold wind blows. Whoosh. And of course the whoosh at the end is obviously the best part because we get to make a lot of noise and move our hands back and forth. So let's try this on one more time all together, just a teeny bit faster. Get our fingers ready and we'll sing, leaves are falling, falling on my nose. Leaves are falling, falling on my toes. On my head, on my neck, even my elbows. Leaves are falling when the cold wind blows. Whoosh. Our story time has come to a close for today, which means that it's time for us to sing Goodbye Friends to the tune of Goodnight Ladies. So we'll wave our hands goodbye and we'll sing Goodbye Friends, goodbye friends, goodbye friends. It's time to say goodbye. Yay! Well, thanks again for joining me in Storytime today. I hope you had a lot of fun sharing songs and rhymes, and of course our awesome story, Will It Fit by Grace Lynn. So our November-December newsletter should be available shortly, and October 15th is the registration date for those programs. So I hope you'll take a look, find something else that you can join us for, and of course we'll have another story time coming up at the end of October. So if you do have any questions about programs or library materials, feel free to stop by the kids' desk or give us a call. And I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day and that we get to see you soon. Bye everyone. Take care.